Welcome to Top 3 Tech. Today, we are diving into the world of productivity to help you make the most out of your time and stay on top of your tasks. Whether you are a student, professional, or just someone looking to get organized, we have got you covered. Let's get started and boost your productivity to the next level. First, we have Todoist. Todoist is a powerful task manager that helps you keep track of tasks and projects. It offers features like due dates, project organization, and priority levels, making it a favorite for individuals and teams looking to stay organized and productive. Key features: task creation and management, project organization and subtasks, collaboration with team members, recurring tasks and deadlines, integration with other apps like Google, Calendar, and Dropbox. Second, we have Notion. Notion is all-in-one workspace that combines notes, tasks, database, and project management. Its flexibility and customizable templates make it suitable for both personal and professional use. Key features: note-taking and document creation, tasks and project management, database and tables for organizing information, templates for various use cases, collaboration and real-time editing. And finally, we have Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks and projects. It is particularly popular for its simplicity and visual approach to task management. Key features: Kanban-style boards for task organization, customizable lists and cards, labels, due dates, and checklists, collaboration with team members, integration with other tools like Slack, Google Drive. So, that wraps up our countdown of the top 3 productivity apps that can help you take your efficiency to the next level. Which app are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it to your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out our latest app and site recommendation. Thanks for watching Top 3 Tech and stay productive. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the best digital tools out there.